¿Quieres agarrarme?
El piquito.
Que abre piquito.
Mami.
Hello everybody, welcome to a new video of Tampalovebirds.com, the Lovebirds Superstore. In this video I'm gonna show you the 4 babies that we are currently hand feeding, and these will be available for sale in our website for pre-order. So if you guys are interested in babies, we will have only this. Look at this guy. We will have only these 4 available for sale. This is a green fisher. It could be a little bit kind of like a black mass. I don't know yet. We need to wait. It's green with the dark green like olive color, as you can see. And this is gonna be 100% hand fed, tame for you guys to enjoy as pets. Okay, you can buy regular ones, or you can train them yourself, or you can buy little guys like this. Now you guys probably asking, why if you guys have so many birds? Look at the colors of this baby. It's a pastel pie, not pie, pastel color, yellow with an orange shell. You guys probably asking, why if you guys have so many lovebirds, why only 4? There is a reason why. This takes a lot of time to actually hand feed and train the right way alone. I'm trying to get the shots to see how red it looks. Okay, so it's going to be reddish on the bottom. So this is the fisher. This is definitely a beautiful fisher with an orange red neck. Look at this guy, right? So it takes a lot of time, guys, to do this, and that's why I'm not pulling out 50 of them. If I pull out 50 of them to hand feed, the purpose will be gone. There will be no more purpose there, because we won't run with each bird enough. Like, you have to do it in order to be successful and have a successful hand feeding operation where the birds actually gone with the owner. So I'm gonna present to you what we're gonna have. We're gonna have this one, which is a blue, aqua blue. Apparently that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, and then the pastel, yellow pastel, beautiful yellow pastel with the orange head. And then this looks like a gray, like a, I don't know exactly. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be grayish bluish. Alright guys, so this is available in Tampalovebirds.com for you to pre-order yours since baby like this. Okay, we're gonna have the hash date, so you guys can have their birth dates and all of that, just like it is. And they're gonna be even DNA tested. They're gonna come with DNA certificate, so you guys will know exactly the sex of your bird. Only these 4 will have DNA certificates. We're gonna have the hash date, everything. So these 4 guys will come with the full package, and they're gonna be available in Tampalovebirds.com. You scroll down and you go to the Handfed Lovebirds, and you can pre-order yours there. You should only see this 4 as today.
Dale.
¿Por qué no pone piquito?
A ver, suelta la manita.
Yes, 17/4/17/2023. You should see these 4 guys in the website. Okay, they should be ready to go in another 65 days with certificates and everything going. So I hope you guys like the 4 colors that I picked to have hand fed on the first round, and then we're gonna do another round in the future. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do a video presenting the babies, and then and letting you know what's coming and everything, so you guys can start pre-ordering. So if you guys are looking for a real hand-fed baby, these 4 will be what you need. Alright guys, thank you very much for following Tampalovebirds.com all these years. Appreciate it a lot for all the comments all the time, and see you guys in the next video.
¿Quieres agarrarme?
El piquito.
Que abre piquito.